Okay, welcome guys. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to install your Windows 7 on your virtual machine. So first things first is that we're going to check if our system virtualization is enabled. We are going to press Ctrl Shift Escape, go to performance, check CPU and check virtualization. If it's enabled, we are good to go. So make sure you have this file, this Windows 7 professional on your desktop, this 3 gig. There are two files going around, but this is actually the file that will actually work for me. So we are going to go to our virtual machine. So I'm using VMware. So we are going to open our virtual machine. We are going to click on home. We are going to create new virtual machine. When we create new virtual machine, we are going to actually browse for the file on our desktop. The file is actually on my desktop here, and I'm going to click on it and open. Then I press next. Everything here is just next. Press yes, next, and next, and next. Then we just wait for the whole process to be done. So from here, just wait for the computer to do its thing. It's going to install everything, and just wait for everything to be done. Then and your Windows 7 is installed. Just click on, you can click on cancel and just follow for more.